As a family-owned business and as immigrants, we realize that we're here today because somebody else put faith in us. Somebody else helped us out. Our whole idea behind Amtech growing and developing as we went through the years was, how do we pay it forward?
Amtech's leadership is very growth-oriented. They not only want to see you grow as a person, but they want to see you grow within life, and they want to make sure that they're doing what they can on their part.
People grow by just having the desire to grow. And here at Amtech, we try to give people the opportunity to be able to find a role where they can truly develop themselves and grow into.
They seen potential in me, that I was more than just general labor, and they've put me in the position to move up and up to where I am today.
Amtech is a good place to work, always trying to challenge you to do your best and then bring out the best of you.
Everybody cares about the quality of everything that's going on and everything that goes out the door.
Amtech's leadership listens very well and takes very seriously the input from the employees here. I see it in every meeting. I see it in Dev and Jay's reaction to employee comments. They take it very seriously.
Our staff benefits from us being open because it helps them to understand us and feel as if they can contribute to the company.
We start out with relationships first, and I think if you look at the founding of the company, it was because we wanted a good foundation for our family.
It's a very flexible environment that allows you to have a family-oriented work-life balance.
I like to think that anything that's rigid is brittle and can break. If you're flexible with people, then you can understand what they're going through.
When we come here every day, it's not just money, 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 but it's let's work hard, let's have fun, let's build good relationships, and let's have a good day and feel like we accomplished something at the end of the day.
I enjoy having genuine people here that I work alongside with. It is the best culture I have been in.
Amtech has a very homey feeling. It's warm.
Amtech is awesome.
Amtech is growth.
Amtech is great.
Working at a growing company provides all sorts of opportunities and potential. Internal promotions, pay raises, challenging new customers, new technologies.
We all want to work together and make something better together.
And they're in on the ground floor. So it's very interesting to think, what will Amtech look like in 2 years? And to think that you could be a part of that is a great reason to join.
Our idea is to pay it forward so they feel like they've grown and they become better.